Yeah, this is the one that Isaac tried to get autographed, but my pin kind of sucked.
1 out.
Yeah. Come on, Jake. Jake Vogel, number 11, Rancho Cucamonga. Starting off slow. 2022. Come on, Jake, pick it up, baby.
Right there.
2-1 count. It's a ball, baby, right there. Zach Veen moved up. I don't think he's at Fresno anymore. He's the top prospect for that club. Oh, Jake, come on. That's an excuse me swing, Jake. Yeah, Rockies. There you go. Zach Veen. Zach Attack. But we got Jake Vogel right here. Come on, Dirk. Oh, we got some juice. Out the center with Glenn Allen. He's tagging, he's coming home. Oh, nope. Cut off. All right.